Hello, my name is Rodrigo Alves de Lima Moreto. I'm one of the partners of the company MTG2i Solutions. This video aims to present the history of the company. The design of integrated circuits is a complex and time-consuming task due to the large number of input variables to be determined simultaneously in order to meet its numerous specifications. Traditionally, analog IC designers carry out the initial analysis based on analytical equations to obtain a first dimensioning of their input variables. After that, they perform an interactive manual process of adjusting the input variables, usually based on spice simulations, until satisfactorily reaching the desired specifications. This interactive and repetitive process between the designer and the simulator is very laborious, slow, and totally dependent on the designer's experience. Around the year 2010, Professor Salvador Pinheiro Jimenez realized that the design and optimization of analog and radio frequency ICs were still done manually for the most part, and he also realized that these activities took a long time to achieve the expected results, that is, with high ability to tolerate variations in the manufacturing process, environmental conditions, and temperature by using the tools available at the time. This caused a very long development time for analog and radio frequency ICs projects, many months and even years depending on the complexity of the circuit, and consequently a very long time for the launch of new electronic products, while the digital part of these ICs was supported by various commercial computational tools with automated algorithms to aid designers to meet specifications across the entire operating range. In this scenario, he identified that the project of analog and radio frequency ICs was the bottleneck for the launch of new products and caused an increase in the cost of the final product. We are talking about millions of dollars. Faced with this problem, he saw an opportunity. He started to study the possibility of creating a computational tool that could help the designers of analog and radio frequency integrated circuits, aiming to reduce the design and optimization time of these ICs. As analog and radio frequency ICs are considered as complex systems, since they have multiple input variables and multiple output variables. Around 2008, he contacted Professor Carlos Eduardo Tomás from Feio University Center, an expert in the area of artificial intelligence, and they ended up partnering to use AI techniques to create a computational tool to help designers of analog and radio frequency ICs. The milestone of this process was the implementation of a new research area within the Feio University Center entitled Evolutionary Electronics. During these 13 years of work, we have developed several prototypes of this computational tool, mainly with my participation as a researcher. When we started using this innovative disruptive computational tool which integrates artificial and human intelligence through the expertise of the designer for the design and the optimization of this type of circuit with robustness, we reached spectacular results, noting a significant reduction in the development time of this type of application-specific integrated circuit (ASICs) from months or even years to just a few weeks, and the design of analog circuit blocks from months to a few days or a few hours, depending on the complexity of the circuit, which it would mean a drastic reduction in the costs of developing electronic products, We are talking about millions of dollars. To speed up the analog simulacy design, the Evolutionary Electronics Group in the Fay University Center, composed by me as a researcher and the professors Salvador Pinheiro Jimenez and Carlos Eduardo Tomás, created a computational tool using artificial intelligence which, after 10 years of studies, we created MTG2i Solutions in 2019. Initially, our objective is to develop an electronic design automation tool to design and optimize robust analog and radio frequency integrated circuits. The IMTG Spice is the first computational tool developed by our company, which is based on innovative artificial intelligence algorithms, and therefore it can be considered a disruptive tool which is able to significantly reduce the optimization cycle time of analog and RF ICs. Unlike EDA tools currently available on the market, the IMT Spice computational tool combines the artificial intelligence with the human intelligence. Thus, it allows the designer to interfere in the optimization process at any time based on results of the evolution process that are shown in real time to also use their knowledge about the projects. Another differential is that the tool performs robustness analysis corner and Monte Carlo during the optimization process, so that the analog integrated circuit can be designed properly despite the variations in the manufacturing process and the operating environmental conditions.